Viewers and subscribers, news just reached. Say Intence, the recording artist Intence that is ever so often on the Jamaica trending list here on YouTube, met in a serious accident. It is said that it happened on Hope Road. Well, you don't know, you can't find anything on YouTube. As news drop, quick and fast, YouTube. You don't know the news has reached our department due to the social media grapevine. You know what a grapevine is? You know the grape them when they use to make wine and raisin. It grew up on a vine and the vine run all about over the place. Imagine somebody give you one piece of news and you take it and tell somebody else, and that somebody else tells somebody else, and by the time it reach to 20 people, information change up. You gonna tell one man, say, you know, say 2 man get shot round there, so 1 dead and 1 get shot in a foot and they are hospital. And by the time you tell one person, that the person they go tell the next person, say 2 man dead round there, so, and the 2 of them reach down at the dead house. And then by the time that the person they pass it on, say 2 man dead, gone at the morgue, 2 gone at the hospital, 1 helicopter get shot down out of the sky, and 2 dog that was there on the scene was also caught in stray bullets. So you don't know the grapevine there. You can't depend on the grapevine to give you precise information. You have to get to the factual sources, credible news sources who always bring precise news and no bother with the mix up. You know, me there so give my point of view on the whole situation. As I said before, it is officially confirmed that Intence met in a car accident. Obviously, he was driving that beautiful left-hand drive Benz. Yes, I said it, a left-hand drive Benz. Here in Jamaica, when most of the cars driven on the Jamaican roads are mostly right-hand drive vehicle. Now, why they are right-hand drive vehicle? Because we drive on the left side. You know, so it's kind of difficult to drive a left-hand drive in a Jamaica. But anyways, Intence met in an accident. It happened on Hope Road. Anytime I see Intence in a music video or any image or video that I see with Intence, most of the time he is drinking some alcohol beverage, preferably Red Stripe beer. Him love him beer. When artists are braff, they love have them buckle of Hennessy, buckle of top shelf liquor. So the point is, artist is most of the time under the influence of some alcohol beverage. Now, I am not saying that he was under the influence while he was driving and met in an accident there on Hope Road, allegedly. What I'm saying is this. There is a huge possibility that he might have been under the influence of some form of alcoholic beverage, and not to mention the good old kush. I don't know, say artists not deal with the cheap things, so for him bag of weed come by the pound and in weed are expensive and high. Anyways, me just give my point of view. I am not necessarily saying as a fact that the artist was under the influence of alcohol or influence of marijuana. What I am saying is the possibility remains. Let me just say this before Uno out there in social media say that I am a bad man and I wish to see all ghetto youth suffer. Let me just clear that notion out of the way right now. I wish the artist a speedy recovery, because guess what? If an artist can come from one of the poorest background in Jamaica and make something of themselves, as a matter of fact, any ghetto youth, whether male or female, if you are from a humble background, poor, dirt poor, Riverton poor, Red Grum poor, White Mall poor, no tar no on the road poor, no proper water system poor, sewage system, drainage system, no proper garbage collection poor. If you can come from an environment like that and you beat all the odds to make something good of yourself, then I totally applaud that 100%. Now, with that being said, bad mind people would look for company to say somebody else bad mind like you. I wish the youth Intence a speedy recovery. Hurry up. It is alleged that there were other people there in the vehicle with Intence while he met in that accident, and one of the persons who were in the vehicle with Intence is his son. Me no know what go on, because like me tell him, me no get no official information, but me only pray to God say the youth alright, because I know say the youth are the future. You get to me I say? In the realest way. What I'm really focusing on right now is the fact that they are human beings and they met in a tragic accident, and I only hope that it is not a life-threatening situation where you hear later on in the news that someone has succumbed to their injury and died. Let's hope that it is just a little shake up, you know, little fender bender. Even if a 2-car door sink in and the bumper tear off from you, so, and him have to go buy back one headlamp to put on the vehicle, set it up. Or probably the artist not even want a crash vehicle. Probably the artist just go park it up, sell it, or trade in it, or do whatever I want to do with it. And just get a brand new one, fresh and clean, and know say, yo, get the youth up on the scene again. You get to me I say, and next point I want to bring forward. to everybody out there. It's when time you work hard and make your money and you can buy yourself a vehicle and put it on the road. Please remember this. Your life come first. Protect yourself and protect others on the road. Learn to understand the road code and know how you drive. Remember, say you not drive for yourself alone, you know. There are a lot of crazy drivers out there on the Jamaican road. Driving like they are at Dover Raceway or one of them speed race places there at 200 miles per hour, like them up on the airport stretch and try to take off. Don't just drive like you're carefree and you're not focused and you look out for the others of people and would go along with madness on the road. Remember this now, you know, people. Intence are one of the hot artists them right now. On the Jamaican YouTube top 10 trending list, Intence has secured his spot there. He has never left out of the top 10 in quite some time now. And the proof is there. All of you can see it. Who rate Intence, who no rate Intence, who say Vendetta, who say Gully, who say Gaza, who say Six, who say Rebel Side. Everybody have their time and their space in this dancehall industry. So you have to make use of it. And right now, Intence are one of the artists for the trend regular. So you know say people are consuming music them as in release them. You don't know saying fan base are grow by the minute. You see what I say is the next ghetto youth on the rise. And this is my word of advice. Artists, yes, Intence. You may talk to road boy, because me know say you not go dead, you know. Me have faith and me believe say you are gonna make it out. You understand? You know what? 2020 has been one of the most outstanding year in my life since I was born here on earth. 2020 is one of the years where me can experience a pandemic. And the first me I experience something named pandemic. You see, pandemic make epidemic no say I'm a little boy. I'm not ready for this yet. A pandemic around the cut. You see me, a pandemic at the general. Pandemic say, yo, listen me. Turn in your yard. Don't go over there so go reason with the neighbor. Make sure you stay 6 feet away from your brother, your sister, your mother, your uncle, anybody. As a pandemic deal with the situation. You see me? Yeah, pandemic not play with people, brethren. Pandemic setting in order and you have to just abide by order. You see, if you not do that, you have to pay the consequences. And you know what that name? COVID-19 badness. You get to me, I say, you don't know. We wish Intence a speedy recovery. Because we don't wish nothing negative nor bad for people. We want to see everybody live their best life. You get to me, I say, I mean everybody. If he is a madman, we wish you your best life. Me wish you live your best life. Any life where you want to live that you see fit, your lifestyle, live it in the realest way. But one thing I can tell her, make sure you have positive energy in the midst of it all. With a positive energy, you know say it will attract more positive energy. And when time you have a build up of positive energy, you only can get good things come out of that. You get to me, I say people, so in the realest way. Yeah man, you don't know, me just pass on the news as how I hear it. Officially, on the matter as it relates to Intence meeting an accident driving that expensive Benz. I'm not telling no lie, I like the Benz, you know. But one thing, I not too like the fact says a left-hand drive Benz still, you see me? But in a realest way still, it's a nice ride. You get to me, I say, I know anybody can drive a Benz. Well, let me rephrase. Anybody can drive a Benz. But you don't know it come with a certain budget. And in the realest way, if me go buy a Benz, a brand new Benz or even a second-hand Benz, I make sure say I can at least buy 2 of them. I have to have the same amount of money what the Benz value in my bank account. So if I buy 1 Benz, I have the same reserve of money in my bank account. I can buy a second Benz. You don't know. I'm not going to take my 1 money and go buy a vehicle. I don't think that wise. I'm going to advise nobody to do that in the realest way. You see me? But you are you still, and if you feel like you want to do it, you can go ahead and do your thing. But for me personally, if I only have that 1 money in my bank account that can buy a Benz, I would rather to buy a cheaper vehicle. One that I can maintain, and then I go and save up some more money until I can afford my dream car. Whether it's a Benz, a Beamer, a Lexus, a Jeep, any vehicle. Everybody on YouTube I do reviews right now, and everybody I try to come with the breaking news. Everybody I review and a comment on the entertainment landscape here in Jamaica. So it seems as if it's almost oversaturated here on YouTube. But guess what I go on now? You see my style and my style. The way how me bring the information across to you, you probably don't like how me narrate a particular story. But in the realest way still, if you like my vibes, 100% subscribe and leave a comment down there. So if you don't like my vibes, give thanks for your view. If you don't want to click the thumbs up button, click the thumbs down button. I still appreciate you same way. Until next time, stay safe on the road. Remember, if you angle any form of machinery, whether light or heavy machinery, make sure that you are sober and fully focused. Whether if it's a tractor, whether if it's a big heavy duty truck or a trailer, no matter what, if it's even a weed whacker, make sure that you are fully focused and sober enough to carry out your job in the most efficient manner. People, leave your comment in the comment section so we can even start a conversation. Yes, I do reply to all of my viewers who left a comment in the comment section. Big up yourself.